Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a quick and easy tutorial for all you iPhone users out there. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change the time on your iPhone. Whether you're traveling to a different time zone or simply need to adjust your device's clock, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, unlock your iPhone and head straight to the Settings app. Navigating to General. Then, Date and Time. By default, your iPhone's time is set to update automatically based on your location. To manually adjust the time, you need to turn this feature off. Just tap the switch next to Set Automatically to disable it. Now, you can easily change the time manually. Tap on Current Time as shown here. Here you'll see date as well as time on the bottom. Tap on Current Time to change it. Now you can manually change the time according to your wish. After changing, you can go back. And your time will be updated. It is so simple as that. And there you have it, folks. Changing the time on your iPhone is a breeze. Whether you're adjusting for travel or simply customizing your device, now you know how to do it like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech tips and tutorials. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay tuned.